Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to recreate this animation that got me over 20,000 views on Instagram. Tag me there so I can see your work. All assets including the PSD are going to be in the description. Once you open the PSD, there's two layers, a background and our character. The character layer isn't cut out very nicely because this kind of animation doesn't require that. Actually, you don't have to open the PSD in Photoshop. Just go ahead and open After Effects. For the third model of Aurelius, get over to Sketchfab and make sure you choose a downloadable one. Then save it as a GLB. Then choose the resolution your PC can handle. For you to directly open the PSD in After Effects without making a composition from scratch, click on File, Import, File again, choose the PSD you downloaded, and click Open. Same settings as me. Now double-click on it so it opens as a composition. It's a 15 seconds animation. Before doing anything, click on the puppet tool and check this box, and start pinning the character so when you move the head, it moves alone. Move the head pin and move about 2.5 seconds and move it to the other side. Keep both keyframes and delete the rest so you don't get confused. Copy the first keyframe and paste it after the second one. Same duration, and keep doing it till the end of the composition. Then select all of them and press F9 to easy ease. Right-click, New, and add a one-node camera. Right-click again and add a null layer. Make it 3D by pressing the cube icon. A long click to parent the camera to the null, so the null plays as a camera. Press P for position, move to 3 seconds and add a position keyframe. Then go back to the start of the composition and zoom in on your character face. Highlight the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease and make this graph. You'll see me doing the same thing again, but this time I am going to parent the first null to the second one. This move is meant to keep the animation smooth because the viewers shouldn't feel like the animation has stopped. Now, before the end of the previous animation we made in the first null, mark a position keyframe in the second null, and move about 3 seconds as well. Then use the x-axis to make the character in the right of the frame. Highlight the keyframes, F9 to easy ease, then right-click on them. Keyframe velocity, 65 on both sides. Make a new vertical composition and just copy my settings. Import the GLB model of Aurelius inside of this composition. Press R for rotation and copy me. Import this composition inside the main one and make it 3D, but it's still not usable. If you see the finished animation, when the zoom in happens, the character's face shows up, and it stops spinning, and this is what we're going to do. When it zooms in, go back to the 3D model composition, go to Y rotation and increase it until his face is clear. Then delete the keyframes at the end. Now press on the X and Z keyframes. It's a bit fast. To make it slow, simply go to the start of the composition and decrease the Y rotation value. Now copy my position settings. Set a position keyframe in the same time as the second null, where the zoom in happens, because we need to take it to the left using the Z-axis. Highlight the keyframes, F9 for the easy ease. Click right on them. Keyframe velocity, 65 for both sides as well, so the movement is synchronized. Now it's time for text. I am going to use a plugin that has plenty of ways to stylize your text. The link of the plugin is in the description as well. It's called Textavo 2. For the font, I am going to use Montserrat. You find it for free literally everywhere. Just type the font name in Google and download it. Once you get the plugin, it's going to look like this. Make the text 3D and activate motion blur. And to animate the text, press the plus button, then the fourth one, then choose Words, go to the Effects control, and copy my settings. Change delay to 8, open Transform, then Position, Y-axis -800, opacity 0%. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+D, and write the second text. I copied it from Google. Change the font to Montserrat regular instead of bold, and scale it down to 27. Then position it under the first text as I did. As you see, the second text came from up to down, but we want the opposite as in the animation. To do that, Y-axis, and change it to +800. The text I am going to pass now is just a Wikipedia text about the character. Make it 3D, apply motion blur, scale it down and position it as well. And to animate it, press the plus button in the plugin, fourth one, Words, delay 6, transform, opacity 0%. Come back to the first null, go right before the animation in the second null ends, add a keyframe, go to the 12th second, zoom out a little bit. Highlight the keyframes. Right-click on them. Keyframe velocity. Make each one 33.53s. Go to the second null, right before the keyframe on the first null stops. Add a position keyframe, and zoom out in the very last of the composition, and position the image as it was at first. Highlight the keyframes, F9 to easy ease. Right-click on them. Keyframe velocity, 65 each. The zoom out here is a bit too much, so I went to the second keyframe and zoomed in a bit. Also, I'd have to slide it to the left. Now time for the adjustment layers and coloring. Add an adjustment layer by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Y. Add optics compensation. Check this box. Add a keyframe for field of view in the 3rd second. Go back to the start. Field of view 115. Highlight the keyframes, F9 to Easy Ease. And make this graph. Add another adjustment layer by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Y. Add glow. Intensity 219. Press T on the adjustment layer and make it 65. Add a 3rd adjustment layer. For CC vignette and noise, make the amount of noise 12. Now time for textures. You're going to find these textures in the drive as well. Add the 3 of them into your composition and make the blending mode overlay. You might not see the difference textures change, so I'll make it full for you to see details. And so this is how it came out. For literally any question, just comment or DM me on my Insta. It's in the description as well.